Okay, this is Sam again from the Frugal Gardener, and I'm over here with Lonnie of the Reed Farm, and he's going to show us his pineapple plants.
Well, these, you see, we're in full shade. This never sees the sun, and they just grow like crazy. These guys have been, every year, we get over and over and over. You see, here's my fruit, obviously, but right next to it, that's next year's pineapple. That's the pup that comes out, and they will continually produce. There's next year's pineapple for that plant. Over here, you can see another one right there. You can always, when you harvest a fruit, you can twist the tops off and plant them, and they'll work. You know, that will grow. It takes, a few years, 2, 3, 4 years, depending on conditions. But when you take the pups off the bottom like that, it happens way, way faster.
Show us the pup.
This guy right here.
And what do you want to do with that?
You just snap that off and plant it.
Okay.
Except I'm leaving that because I want it to just continue to grow.
Yep.
But that's a way faster way to do it.
So either the pup's going to grow on this plant, or you could pick and replant it and have another plant.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And they will produce fruit way faster than the top. The tops will work, and I've done it. We've got plenty of them that have worked, but this is just real fast. And you can see it here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 big fat pineapples. And I'll tell you what, if you've never had a homegrown pineapple, when you pick the perfect ripeness, there's nothing like them. They're so sweet. It's one of the treats.
Definitely a lot of pineapple.
Definitely love our pineapples. We're real proud of them every year. Don't sell them, but we love them.